Did you know you can watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch? In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. The first thing you want to do is go to your applications. You want to check if you have the Samsung browser right here. If you don't, go back up and go to the Google Play Store, select it, and just do search and type in Samsung browser right here. And then just select it and install it. All right, so let's get back to it. So if you have the Samsung browser already installed, let's go back down and select the icon here. This is the Samsung browser icon, select it. You'll see YouTube right here, select it, and YouTube should load. And then you can swipe down. If you don't see the search icon, just swipe down, select it right here, and type in what you want to search for. So let's do a search, and it should load a page, right? And then you can look for a video to watch. So I'm going to choose this video, for example. It loads and start playing. So if you notice, the volume is low. Let's fix that. So you're going to swipe down, swipe across, get to the volume here, and then media. So you can actually increase the volume here. I'm going to turn the volume up. All right. And let's go back to the video. And play again. And now the volume is up. So it's as simple as that. And you can go full screen. So if you swipe up, full screen. Swipe down, it goes out of full screen. And you can scroll up and see other videos. You can see the comments there. You can check all you want to check. So it works almost like the web page. It will cut off on the side a little bit, but it works similar to the web page. So it's that easy. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.